What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of cropping a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Cropping is essential for focusing on specific areas of your footage or for creating a particular visual effect. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro and open the project containing the video you want to crop. Navigate to the timeline where your video clip is located. Click on the video clip in the timeline that you wish to crop. Go to the Effects controls. If it's not visible, you can enable it by going to the top menu and selecting Window, then Effect Controls, and the Effects panel. Search for the crop effect. Drag and drop the crop effect onto your selected video clip in the timeline. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the crop effect you just applied. You will see parameters for left, right, top, and bottom. Adjust these values to crop your video. And there, you have successfully cropped your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.